I'm Monica Khuller. I've shifted to Bangalore in 2013. Since then, I was having a dream to have a house here. So I took this place in 2020. Since then, it was constructing. After 2 years, I was looking for some interiors. So I have contacted quite a few. So I've done enough homework, having 4-5 interior decorators giving me different designs and quotations. But when I was about to finalize it, 60 days back in fact, so one of my friend has recommended me Skyline spaces because she has got interior done from them. They were in Hebbal, Puravankara. So I went to her house and I found the interiors very appealing, because it was as per my taste. Soft colors, clean thoughts, that how a space cannot look very clumsy and too much cluttery. That was my concern, because my plot size was not very big. It was only 750 square meters. So I was worried that if too much of things we put inside, then it will become very cluttered. So when I went to her house, it was clear in my mind that the interior was having clear thoughts about how to make a space look bigger. I found this Skyline spaces and I saw their work, and then I spoke to Mr. Imran, and I have given all my thoughts to him, what I want, what I don't like, and to my understanding, he is a person who understands the mind of the customer, what he really likes into the house. And he has given me all the designs, 3D designs, and then the color combinations, what I want to put for the cupboards, the laminates, and the furniture which is there with me as an old furniture to be accommodated in the house, or the new furniture which I am going to buy. And looking at the color combination, he has given me the design for the laminates with the color combinations. He has helped me in each and every parameter. Even when I was finalizing the blinds also, he helped me what I should go for the blind colors and etc. How he has taken measurement for all the appliances, so that it will, when I'm putting it, it will not misfit. So minutely he has worked, and honestly he has taken 60 days maximum from me, but he has delivered the project between 45 to 50 days. So he has a very good commitment level. I'm very happy with his commitment level and the kind of breakup he has given me, how he is going to take the payments, which when the material will come, when this work will finish. He has only asked me money when when we have reached the desired destination in the project. So he has never hassled me for immediate payments, etc., unnecessary calls. But whenever I call them, even all the staff members of Skyline Spaces is very nice. Even they take my call after the project is being completed also. They never miss my one single call, which is commendable. I just loved it, and I will recommend people, because they are investing their hard-earned money in the house, and this is lifetime. People earn and then spend on the house, and they make their dream come true. So they should be very mindful when they are selecting the interiors. Today we have a lot of interiors are there in the market, but I will definitely recommend people to go to Skyline Spaces, because they are genuine and they are very professionals. Thank you.